How to sell products on eBay. eBay is one of the biggest marketplaces today, and any seller aspiring to make a mark in the world of e commerce wants to feature its product on such marketplaces. However, it's quite often that the sellers sometimes find it along a complex task to sell on eBay or such formidable marketplaces. To remove such hassles, we bring this guide on how to start selling on eBay the easiest way. Before knowing how to start, you know, uh, selling on eBay, or what is eBay seller fees, or how to create an eBay seller account, let us, you know, make you more familiar with its presence, the about the presence of e-commerce. Well, eBay, its headquarter is in San Jose, California. It's a multinational e-commerce giant that facilitates C2C and B2C sales. You know, coming to the most important part, let us see how a seller can start selling on eBay. You need to create a eBay seller account. The very first step to start selling on eBay is to create an eBay seller account. From this eBay account that a seller starts selling on eBay. To create the eBay seller account, navigate to the eBay site on which you want to register. Go to the registration page, select personal account or business account, enter the required details and select register or create account. Now, once you're done with the account creation, click sell at the top of any eBay page. Doing so will step you through all the steps required to list a product, including the initial seller registration. The next step is product listing. Once the eBay seller account has been created, a seller can start creating the product listing, which is the next step that a seller needs to take while selling on eBay. Now, there are pointers to keep in mind while creating the product listing on eBay, as the correct product listing can create a buzz for your products on eBay, while inappropriate listing can make customers ignore your product on eBay. You need to optimize the product title, you need to optimize the product description, you need to choose the right category. you know the image you have used should be eye catchy, attractive and very clear. And you have to calculate and fix the price. You have to choose the price model. There are two types of price model: fixed price model and product auction. Fixed price model, you have to set particular fixed price for your product and wait for your customers to buy your product. Product auction is, as eBay is an auction platform as well, you may fix the minimum bidding cost for your product and invite the builders to initiate the bidding. In this case, the ultimate bidder with the highest bidding gets the product. Then next step is fix the policy terms and condition, guarantee and warranty. To avoid any misunderstanding and the resultant negative feedbacks by the buyers, clearly mention the product policies like those of refunds and returns from your eBay seller account. Also, don't forget to mention the terms and conditions for the same. As far as the guarantee or warranty is concerned, buyers should know about them and hence they should be mentioned. Then the next step is listing schedule. For a better sales graph and more attention for your products, you may schedule the listing for your products for the time at which you think it will be high in demand and will garner more purchasing from your eBay seller account. In case of bidding, your customers will get to know of your listing and will tend to buy the products. For example, at Christmas, you may start the listing before some weeks before you get the desired result, as buyers will purchase the products relevant to Christmas before few weeks only and not the whole year. Then the next step is publish your product and start creating the buzz. Check all the details once again on your eBay seller account and publish your products on eBay. Once you have published the products on eBay for selling, start creating buzz for products by advertising and marketing. This includes the following points. Tell the buyers why your product stands out. Minimal bidding cost to attract the bidders. Create speciality. Sell a product that your customers find unique or create a unique feature for it. Offer reasonable shipping cost, if any. Then Get the payment and get in touch with the buyer. Once you receive the order from the buyer for your product, check for things to make become a professional seller who cares for the buyers as well as the sales graph. Contact the buyer, confirm the payment. Then you need to ship the product. When all the payment related measures have been taken, the shipment needs to be done by the sellers. Then one of the most important factors you need to know before you start selling on the eBay or while selling on eBay is feedback. Feedback by you for buyers helps the other sellers. At the same time, ask for the feedback to your buyer so that it can add value to your product page, and other potential buyers can get to know how your product exactly is. So that's all. Thank you.